How to restore lost photos and videos after the iOS 18 update. If you went ahead and then updated your phone to iOS 18 and then you've been opening the Photos app unable to find some of your photos and videos. First of all, the important thing to consider is that unless you did a factory reset during the update, then in that case, Apple will not delete your data. But during the update, maybe it caused some issues and then you did a factory reset, you had to reset all of your device itself, then in that case, you can say the photos could have been deleted. Now, if you find your photos absence and that it's not present within your system, you can try to launch your Photos app and scroll down to the Utilities tab right here. Under the Utilities tab, you can see the option called Recently Deleted. So just go to this Recently Deleted option that you can see. Just go ahead and then use your Face ID to go ahead and then unlock this, or you can enter your system's passcode. Here you will be able to see some of your recently deleted photos and videos, which you can then choose to recover. This way you'll be able to restore lost photos and videos after the iOS 18 update. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.